Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a project share, and it's a kit from BMasCraftyCorner. She sent me her original Snippet doll kit, and what you get in the kit, you get the pattern, a piece of material, and a bag full of the stuffing. I made all three. I used her material for one, and then I used some material I had for the others. I'm only able to show you two of the three, because there's a story. It's funny. I have a cat. Y'all know I talk about Lucy. She took off with the third one. Yeah. And what's funny is, excuse me, she probably did it last night. Because I had them out here. I got finished with them where I had them all stitched up. I just add little things to them, and I thought, I'll do that in the morning. So, and what's funny about Lucy is she's always in the room by me. 90% of the time. She does not come on to my table unless Scott comes in the room. So Scott was in here right before talking to me, right before I was going to bed last night, and they were literally like they are right now. And because I was like, I'm going to finish them. Had them, they were on my mat. And when I get up in the morning, I'm going to finish them so I can do the video. Well, I've been looking for the third one. Looked on the floor, looked in my bins that I have on my floor because I have Halloween all around me. I couldn't find it. It's freaking me out a little bit, guys. Just freaking me out a little bit. So I got up and I walked out to the living room, and here she has it. She's tossing it around. So I went to get it from her. She won't give it up. She took off. So I don't know where she took off with it, because I ain't going to chase my cat down for this. So I'm going to call it the original Snippet Doll / cat toy. So this is the one I made with the second pattern here. And I just used some of my own material. I used eyelash trim. So just imagine this, and I matched the eyelash trim to the color of the material. So this one actually is white with some pink. And then I made this one. And all I did is use what was around me, because I have a lot of little things around me at the moment because I was doing my clusters. Did some clusters yesterday. So that's what this one looks like. And then I have this one. And the other one, pretty much the same. Oh, there was Lucy. And so this is the Snippet Dolls. And then also, she asked me a while ago about these wood veneers and their state shapes. So she sent me them. But I believe she still has these up in her Etsy store. And I will list her Etsy store if you guys want to go check it out. But I think it's funny because, hey, Bima, you should change your title. Original Snippet Dolls / cat toys. Because I am actually digging them. My cat took off with it. It's funny. I was freaking out because I'm like, oh my god, because they're dolls. People get creeped out from dolls. I don't get creeped out from dolls. Because I kind of make some mixed media dolls. So I was like, word, kind of, But it's more about losing my damn mind in my craft room, figuring out, where'd this go? It's like, what? And I'm going through everything. And I thought, I wonder. So, and I didn't put catnip in it unless Scott shoved some in it, and I wasn't looking. But I think it's because of this. Because my cat has a thing for Scotch tape and my eyelash trim. I can't leave my Scotch tape tape out on my desk. I always have to make sure I put it away. Or she takes off with that. She takes off with my glue fingers and my eyelash trim. So now she took off with my Snippet doll. Like I said, I will have BMasCraftyCorner's Etsy store listed in the description box below if you're interested. I think let's see, I will look for you real quick. I think she has these at $4. Yep, $4. Yep. You get in this kit adorable, funky little wormy dolls made just for snippets. Available in random colors only. Each kit contains fabric, pattern, and stuffing for $3. Yep. So, I will have all her Etsy store in the description box. So if you want to go check them out, go over and give her, check out her store. Check out what she has. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good Thursday.